Hi guys, it's me, Kimberly, and this week's theme on Seven Dazzling Girls as expectations versus reality. Sorry for not uploading for the last 2 weeks. I'm really sorry about that. I wouldn't. So I actually do have real reasons, and if you say they're fake, then I don't know why you think these are fake. But so on the first week I didn't upload. It was because I didn't finish editing on time. Thank you, Rush Videos. And on the second week, it wouldn't let me export the video. I also know why Caitlin didn't upload last week, and it was because her video wouldn't export either. Both of her videos wouldn't export, and it was really annoying. So yeah, anyway, now that that's over and done with, I'm uploading this week, ain't I? Anyway, right, hold on 1 second. Before I get started, this video has completely to do with Bonfire Night because my video goes up on Bonfire Night. My video goes up on Bonfire Night, which is amazing. So I'm going to be getting ready for the firework display. I'm going to see you today, which is Wednesday. And yeah, also for later on for the reality and the expectation when I say fireworks and then it ends up just a bonfire ability for the reality. I am going to both, but the bonfire may not happen. But that'll have to film tomorrow because Thursday is bonfire night, and I need to wait till it's really dark before I can film a bonfire because it gets really big and it's amazing fun. I was still in it last year, which was or maybe the year before it because I wasn't careful because we were playing tag around the bonfire. Getting ready. So I do need to get ready, so all this stuff I'll do. Anyone have been in school, then I till you can see them. It's amazing. Turns out the good displays don't come till 8 o'clock.